everyone, we are at the SAMA Red Carpet in Namma Bengaluru, and this is the 10th edition which is happening with us. We have a gorgeous, sizzlingly hot Femina Miss India Manya Singh. How are you doing?
I am good. Hello everyone. How are you?
I'm doing great. I mean, you're such an inspiration to the modeling industry, and you have inspired so many girls around. And having you on SAMA Red Carpet, it's a honor, I must say. And you are looking amazing, just like a red hot mirchi, right?
Yes. So are you?
So-
You're looking amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. This SAMA is celebrating a 10th year edition. How do you feel about this?
This is my first time, and I come from North India, like UP, and walking the red carpet in South India and amongst the big stars from the industry, international and national.
Oh.
It's an honor for me, and I'm really, really happy to be here today and excited
That's-
to take an award next year.
Oh my God, that's really nice. And
Manifestation.
oh, superb. And that will happen. Keep manifesting, and you're doing amazing. And I'm sure in future also you'll give lot of best projects and you'll carry it forward. And I just want to ask you that, which is that one actor or an actress that you're waiting to meet in this red carpet and performing, watch them performing and all that.
So I am a really good friend of Srinidhi, but unfortunately she's not there. But I would
Yeah.
love to perform with her in future, and I've already met Yash and Allu Arjun, so that dream has been true. So
Oh,
yeah,
that's so amazing. So you're really having a great time at SAMA, is it?
I am amazed by the time I'm spending here, and especially the people are so warm
Aw.
and so welcoming. I was just surprised that ma'am, I feel like it's like my family. So I would
Oh my
love to
God.
be back here again and rock it.
Bangalore people are always welcoming. They always welcome everybody from each and every place. So we would always heartily welcome you to join us every year in the SAMA. And what do you want to say about, say few things to Bangalore fans?
Keep supporting your people. And
Do you speak Kannada?
No.
Okay, now I'll
I'm-
teach you. Then you speak. You
Yes.
say few Kannada words to Nama Bangalore people. And hi Bengaluru, Namaskara.
Hi Bangalore, Namaskara.
Nanu,
Nanu,
Nimma,
Nimma,
Nimma Hesru.
huh?
Say your name.
Manya. Nanu, Nimma, Manya.
Yes.
Sing.
Okay. Nange
Nange,
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ
ಬಂದು
ಬಂದು
ತುಂಬಾ
ತುಂಬಾ
ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ನಾನು
ನಾನು
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು
ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಿಂಗ್
ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
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 I love you Bangalore people. Amazing.
I love you Bangalore people.
That's what I teach you in Kannada. So all your Kannada fans and especially South Zone, you have a lot of viewers who are watching which is happening in Amma Bangalore because this is a tribute to our Puneet Rajkumar sir. So it was lovely to have you in the red carpet. See you around. Have a
you.
great
Yeah,
evening.
thank you
And
so much.
next year I'll host you when you're taking an award. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you.
great evening.
And love
Thank
you India and love you Bangalore.
Thank you.
Thank you so
It was
much.
lovely meeting you.
Great confidence.
Thank
Just
you.
keep
Thank you
maintaining.
so much.
Hi, this is Vidya Nair and we have Unni Maya with us. Unni Maya, as we all know, has been nominated as the Best Supporting Actress. How do you feel about this?
I'm excited about being nominated for SAMA. I was nominated the previous year also. I have more optimism towards this year, so hope for the
So it's
best.
been a very successful journey so far, right?
Yeah.
And you've been associated with SAIMA for a while now, I'm guessing. So how has the journey been so far with SAIMA, the SAIMA family? How and what?
No,
brings you back
I'm
to us?
coming for SAMA for the first time.
This is your first time here?
I'm
Okay.
coming for
So
the
how-
first time. I've been watching SAMA for all these years and I'm super excited, for being here on the 10th year, being the decade celebrations.
And from watching SAIMA on TV to actually getting there, being nominated in SAIMA, how does that experience feel?
Yeah, it's quite amazing. I was nominated the previous year also, but I couldn't win the previous year. And
We
this
really
time,
hope you win
yeah,
this year.
Yeah, this time.
And are we going to get to see you perform in SAIMA anytime?
Not this time. Maybe
In the
coming
near
years.
future?
Yeah.
Do you have anything you want to share about your upcoming projects with us?
And Actually, as of now, I have 2 releases which is running now. One is Paltu Janwar, which is partially
heard
produced
a lot
by.
of-
Yeah. And so I work for this Bhavna Studios. It's a production house. Apart from acting, I work for the production house, and we have a movie now for this season that is Paltu Janwar.
And we all are really excited to watch Pathu Jana and wish you
Yeah.
all the best.
Yeah,
and
thank
really
you.
hope you win an award and we get to see you more in Saima.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Vidya. Thank you.